to show this to your girlfriends when you grow up, you know.
Whose girlfriend?
Your.
What girlfriend?
Whoever your girlfriend is. What are you doing? Do you like your suit?
You can't do that, Connie.
Let me see your cookie.
See?
Hold it up so I can tape it for you. What is it?
His eye test and his eyebrow taste.
What?
His eyebrow taste. His eye taste.
What is he though?
A cook pirate.
Showing off a little? Courtney, what do you got?
Something.
Okay.
Mom,
What?
is Daddy going?